Hey, what's up, guys? It's Team Hard Life Captain Albert Sartucci here, and I've got a Daiwa Saltus, and it's the LD40H. Now, they've already got the hollow core on there, but they've lost some. So this is the whole point of us doing our spooling videos, because now it's starting to come full circle. We're getting those customers back that have lost a little bit of line and want to go ahead and maintain their spool. So this is where the saving money comes into play by using the hollow core.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
As you can tell right there on the reel, it's not completely empty, but not completely full. It's right in that catch-22 phrase. So I'm gonna go ahead and splice in, add on, and now he will only have to pay for that little bit that's left or that is needed to fill it up and stuff. So, and we'll see what that is here in just a second. Sweet, that's a sale. That's our splice. Line pretty lined up there. Alright, so we've got 90 yards of line added on top of this as his top shot. So now, that's all he has to pay for is the 90 yards. So again, guys, if you want to save money, buy the hollow core, get it on your reels, and this is really going to save you a lot of time and effort, because even then too, like I said, we saw the splice. There's no knot for anything to hang up on, which means seaweed and debris and stuff like that won't tangle up on your line and take your line out, especially if you need them to sit there a while for big fish to come along and take it or whatever. So food for thought, guys. Also too, I'll give you a little heads up on the drawing. I think we got less than 10 tickets available on the $20 drawing, and I think we're like at 17 tickets on the $30 drawing. So it's coming up really quick. Don't miss out. $20 ticket for your pick of the rod, and then the $30 tickets for the Virgin Blank 552 Harrington. And that one is a very pretty rod. Like I said, we've got guys offering all kinds of money to buy it outright, but it wouldn't be fair to all the guys that have bought into the tickets and have waited this long. So definitely not going to do it. So stay tuned, guys. We got a lot more information coming, and we'll keep putting it out there.